The next question is also a good one, and it's a topic we've already touched on a little bit. You briefly mentioned the why in the process. I wanted to ask you what your original why was for moving to Silicon Valley, maybe Ann in parentheses, and how was your why changed since your success and growth in life?
So my why was I wanted to be like my dad. He was my hero. I grew up eldest of 5 kids in a middle-class family in St. Louis, Missouri. He was a mechanical engineer. I studied electrical engineering. Outgoing, enthusiastic guy, started some companies with some friends, said to all the door kids, we love you equally. We're going to give you one thing in education and nothing more. No inheritance, no family businesses. And when I wanted to do 2 things, these are my whys, namely, go to California to find Ann and learn about starting computer businesses, he loaned me $50. And I drove out here with that. And
Which was probably like $300.
it was more than.
But yes.
So that was my why. I think in the larger sense, look, a lot of organizations have goals. They have sales objectives and shipping product and so forth. And these are relatively soulless collections of numbers. And so what's really important is to connect the purpose and the passion behind goals with those that are the priorities in the moment. And that's when I think you get organizations that truly achieve operating excellence.